Hi, second grade. All right, we are moving on to chapter 6, and today we're just going to introduce the lessons in chapter 6. So let's go ahead and just look at this first page on 262, 262. And we're going to just look at the vocabulary. So we have review words, things we have already learned before, equal groups, even, odd, and then repeated addition. Okay, and we'll fill them in to where they go. So it says, use the review words to complete the graphic organizer. So it has a blank and a blank. And let's look at it. It's 45, 127, 91, 3, 72, 388, 4, and 60. So what is this group of numbers and what is this group of numbers? If you were to label this group and then label this group. Okay, this group, if you're looking at each of the numbers in this column, they're all odd, right? This group, if you look at the ends, they're all even. Good. All right, and then the bottom says define it. It says equal groups and then repeated addition. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, and then it looks like these circled groups of 2. Okay, so equal groups, it's going to go down to that one. And then repeated addition is right up there. Okay, very good. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and do a few more over here just so we get a little more practice. Okay, so you can just kind of follow along. All right, is this an even? Am I doing an even number? Or odd numbers? So I'll do a few numbers right in here. So you tell me, I'll write a number in there. Is it even or odd? Even or odd? Okay, you should have said odd, right? Because if you're looking at the 7, it's an odd number. Very good. All right, how about this one? 23. Okay, don't forget you're only looking at this number here. So you should have said odd again. Good job. All right, how about this one? Okay, then you're looking at that number. Even. Good job. All right, how about 20? Just looking at that number right there. Okay, that's an even. Good job. All right, now you can get even higher with those numbers because you're still just going to look at that first number there, that ones place. So what if I did 100? 101. Still looking at just that number to tell if it's even or odd, right? So if that's an odd number, it's odd, so it's odd. Good job. How about 119? Odd. Good job. How about 158? Even. Good job. Or how about 597? Odd. Good job. All right, last one. 762. Just looking at that number, even. Good job. All right, and let's do a few of these. This is a review. Equal groups. Okay, so let's say I wanted to make equal groups. Let's do 4 groups of 3. So I have a group, 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 group. It's like I have a class, right? It's like I had you guys in my class. So I have 4 groups. Then how many's in each group? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, does anybody know how many are in those groups total? So you could add them up. You could say 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. And what is that? Does that equal 12? Good. All right, let's say I wanted, let's do 5 groups of 2. So I've got a group, 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 right? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. 5 groups of how many in each group? 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2. How many people do I have? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. What does that equal? Should have said 10. All right, let's do one more. Let's say I want to do, let's just do 3 groups. 3 groups of, let's do 5 in each. So I've got a group 1, 2, 3. So I've got 3 groups. 3 groups of 5 in each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, so I have 5 plus 5 plus 5. And what does that equal? 15. Good job. All right, that is the lesson for today. It's just a quick review, basically, of these words that we have done before. Okay, all right, very good.